else is not the Roda. The Roda is not bigger than 2 rows. The color of the carpet's different. Everything is green. This is where you need to be. So endearingly, and I look at her and I'm like, it's just like we're in this complete disbelief. And we get up together, we go to the Prophet ﷺ, we give him our salams, and I believe my eyes that was the Roda on the women's side. It's closed. And I'm like, oh God, I understand we'll pray so free like that. And here we are. Remarkable. I just have no words.
Hello everyone, happy Sunday. So I just drove my sister to her bus stop downtown because she's going back to school today from spring break. So I was really up early because her bus was like 9:30 a.m. It's 9:52 right now, and since I'm already out, it's Sunday, the weather is really nice. Like, it definitely feels like spring today. I figured I would just run a few errands. I've been wanting to go to the Nespresso store for so long, but it's one of those things that's kind of out of the way from where I work. So it's like after work it's too late, and then on the weekends I'm not always in the area. So I figured since it was like a 15-minute drive from my sister's bus stop, I drove to the Madison Ave location. So I just got here and parked right now. So this is it. It's really cute. I've always wanted to go inside of it because I've actually, besides the trial Nespresso pods that I got, I never actually bought my own. I just buy the Starbucks brand at Target. But I thought I would finally just come and see what set I could get. I know they say the Nespresso pods are expensive, but I just want to see what I can get, you know, at the store and get the full experience. I'm also not fasting today, which I feel like your period is really your enemy of progress during Ramadan. Like, you'll be in the groove, you'll be waking up for suhoor on time, like everything is going real smooth, and then boom, it hits you. So yeah, I sadly got my period yesterday, so I'm gonna be out the game for a couple days. So I figure since I'm not fasting, like when I'm fasting I rarely go out or run errands because I'm not gonna exert any unnecessary energy unless I have to, for example like going to work. But I figured I'm driving today, I can sit in comfort, it's nice out, let me just see what I could get. So the store opens up in like 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. And then I also want to do some food shopping today, just to get some healthy meal prep for Ramadan, because these past couple days I have not been eating well. Like during Ramadan I eat a lot of fried foods, I eat a lot of sugar, like I just eat a lot in general, food that's high in carbs, which is fine because it's Ramadan. Like, I'm not gonna deprive myself of what I want to eat during this month, especially because you can't eat all day. So like if I'm craving something, I'm gonna have it, you know. But I also want to try to be intentional with trying to balance it out. Like some days maybe have more of a healthy iftar, some days eat whatever you want. Try to mix it up just so you aren't doing, or you aren't feeling sluggish or also losing all the gains that I've been trying to build for the past couple of months. So yeah, I don't know, maybe we'll go to Trader Joe's. Definitely have to go to Target today. Yeah, it's just like, you know, cute little casual errands, like nothing crazy. So yeah, I'll definitely take my camera in to the Nespresso store. I'm always weird with vlogging in places because I know some places have like weird things with like camera stuff or whatever, but I'm gonna definitely take my phone in at least. Yeah, let's see how this experience goes. Hopefully I don't end up spending a bag on some coffee pods out of all things. Bag is secured. on. So I'm back now. The weather is literally amazing today. I didn't even want to come home, which usually on a Sunday I'm always in that mood where it's like, oh, it's Sunday, I have so much to do. But I literally just wanted to stay out all day. I think I'm actually gonna go back outside in a bit and try to maybe get like a walk in or a run, because it's a lot harder to do stuff like that during the week, especially when the weather is so up and down. Like I feel like April or March, April, New York always has the weirdest weather. But I want to show you everything that I got. So actually most of the things that I got are boring, but I'm just going to show the things that I care about. So of course you went to the Nespresso store. So I have been trying to go to the store forever. I kept buying the knockoff Starbucks pods, even though those are really good. Like if you don't want to buy the Nespresso ones, get that. But after comparing the prices, they're actually like, I think this one was maybe $1 more than the Starbucks one that I buy from Target. So it really is the same thing. Like I think you might as well buy the name brand version of it, the one that was made for the actual machine. So I'm gonna show you the flavors I ended up going with. The first flavor that I got is sweet vanilla. So the person that works there was telling me that they're actually discontinuing this soon. This and a bunch of other ones like caramel. I don't remember. I think any specialty flavor, like any sweetened flavor, I think they're trying to get rid of it, something like that. I don't know. So he was recommending that I should, if I'm interested in buying or trying this, I should buy it now because I don't know when it's going to be discontinued. But this one is meant for a coffee. So they have different ones, like they have espresso, double espresso. They have ones that are meant for coffee. So let's say you brew this, you can maybe save half of it for a cold brew for the next day, or you can drink it right there like a nice coffee. So I think this one is a coffee one, which I haven't used any of those. I always buy the espresso one. So I figured it would be a cool one to try. So yeah, this is how the vanilla one looks. So it's basically, yeah, for like a cup of coffee. They usually give you, or it shows the size of the cup on the front, which really helps. So I think I'm actually gonna try this one tomorrow morning since I'm not fasting for a few days and see how I like it, since I've only ever done the espresso ones. And then this one I have tried before. So when I bought my Nespresso, it came with a sample kit, and this was one of my favorite ones, so I figured I would buy it again. So I've tried their double espresso pods before, which I actually prefer that because the Starbucks one that I always buy are single pods or single espresso, so I always end up having to use two, which ends up making it finish faster. So this one just makes more sense because one pod is double espresso, like the size of 2 espresso shots. So the flavor for this one is dolce. So it has like medium intensity or lower intensity, I think. Actually, no, I think this one was medium intensity. So I just love that it comes with a double because like I said, I was wasting so many Starbucks pods because I had to keep using 2 because I prefer when it tastes a little bit more like coffee. Like I don't want my latte to taste straight like milk. So we gotta have a little bit of balance. So this is the size of it. It says double espresso on it, so all you need is 1 if you're looking for 2 shots of espresso. And then the last one that I got is also, is this double espresso? I don't think it is. Yeah, so this is single espresso. So I did also try this in the sample kit that they gave me with the Nespresso when I first bought it. So I remember it being good. It's also like medium intensity. But yeah, I remember it tasting just fine. It's pretty much like, you know, a nice rich espresso. So you could definitely taste it in your coffee really well. And yeah, so this one is single. So yeah, I guess it'll be for the days where I'm not looking for something as strong, but I still want a bit of coffee taste. So we got this one. As you can see, it also gives you the size 40 mils, which is single, and then the double is 80 mil. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I bought from Nespresso. So that's 30 pods altogether. So I feel like it's gonna take me some time to get through this because I don't make coffee at home every day. When I go to the office, I use the espresso machine there. So it definitely saves me a lot of money not having to buy my own pods all the time. So yeah, this should last me like well over a month, I think. So I'm really excited to try these, and I'm probably gonna get to try them a little bit more after Ramadan because I don't really drink coffee during Ramadan. So the next thing that I got, I've been trying to get this for so long. So I follow this esthetician on Twitter, which I'm gonna write her page on the screen somewhere because I really feel like you should all follow her. She's a Black esthetician. She's actually really young too. So I like following her because, you know, she just seems a bit more relatable. But anything that I've ever gotten or any skincare advice, any product that I've ever bought, I swear it's because she recommended it. And it always works for me. Like, as much as I love advocating skincare on this channel, I'm not a professional at the end of the day. Like, I can only say so much. Something that works for me might not work for someone else, but when she recommends things, she says what it does. She will also tell you, like, if you have sensitive skin, maybe use this. Like, she's someone who gives advice for all skin types, obviously because she has a lot of clients or patients that she sees, and all of them had different skin types. So yeah, you should definitely look to her for any skincare advice because she will literally, like, her advice will bless your skin. But she has been posting this for months and I've been trying to get it at Target, so every time I go to Target it's sold out. I don't know if TikTok also found this, but I found this through her on Twitter. But when I tell you, it has been sold out for so long. Like, I was even contemplating just ordering it on the Target website and or trying to see if Amazon had it, but today I walked in and they finally had it and like immediately picked it up, didn't even bat an eye. I was like, I have to try this. So this is called the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. So it's basically an oil to gel formula, which I think is really great, especially for this weather that's still in the middle. It's kind of cold, it's kind of rainy some days, like it's just really weird weather. I feel like an oil body wash makes so much sense. You're basically moisturizing your skin before you even get out of the shower, which I think is so important. I get really dry skin when I come out of the shower, so I try my best to use products that replenish the oils right away. But coming out of the shower already glistening, like, are you kidding me? That is so smart. So yeah, like I said, it starts as an oil, but as you you know, mix it, it turns into, or lathers into, a gel. So yeah, it's just gonna feel really nice on the skin. This is all according to her, and it's just gonna make you look so, like, it's gonna make your skin look so healthy, supple, like just amazing. And I think this is even great for the summertime. Like, even though this is obviously meant to like really moisturize you for the winter, I think using this in warm weather would be even better, because you know, when you're out in the sun and your skin is shining and the sun is on you, you want to look nice. Like, you want your skin to look even and glowy. So I feel like this product is definitely going to help with that. So it has a bunch of oils in it: jojoba oil, rose hip, sea buckthorn, don't know what that is. But yeah, it just helps make your skin supple. So I'm really excited to try this. It also smells really good to me. It kind of reminds me of a product that I use. Like, it reminds me of how the face wash at the Glow Bar smells. So whatever brand that is, it's some dermatology brand, but it literally smells amazing. Like, every time I wash my face with that face wash, I'm so tempted to buy a bottle of my own, but I just can't justify paying a lot of money for a face wash. But this smells exactly like it to me. So that makes me even happier that I can still get the smell of this product without spending the money of that face wash. But yeah, it just smells so good. It smells like quality. I don't know how to explain it. But no more ashy skin. We have no excuse to have ashy skin for this winter, fall, whatever season we're in. We're always gonna look glowy. So definitely get this. I'm gonna come back maybe after I try this. I'm definitely gonna try this tonight because I'm literally so excited to try it. But I'm gonna come back and give you my first impressions of you, so stay tuned for that. So I was thinking what I should meal prep for this week, and lately when I meal prep, I don't always finish everything, and sometimes it goes bad just because I end up eating food that maybe my mom cooked, or I eat outside sometimes. Well, I don't eat out as much, but like somehow I end up not needing to really eat dinner at home, or yeah, like I don't want to waste food. So I'm just trying to make like maybe one thing or prep one thing and then kind of go through the week and see how I feel. If I had to eat home food, if I had to cook somewhere in the middle of the week, like I'll just try to make it work. But yeah, like I don't want to be wasteful. That's something that I hate to do. Like I literally hate to waste food. Yeah, like that's not my thing. So yeah, we're just gonna prep this spicy rigatoni pasta that I always make, but instead I make it with chickpea pasta. So chickpeas are high in proteins. There's still a nice balance of protein in there, and yeah, it's just a lot healthier, less carbs, higher protein, so I prefer to use that. And then I make, you know, the spicy rigatoni sauce that I always make. I've been making that pasta on this channel multiple times. So yeah, I use like heavy cream, tomato paste, I put a bunch of chili flakes, garlic, a bit of lemon juice. Like, it is so good. I'm definitely gonna probably vlog myself making it now just so you can see. And then I also have some chicken that I'm probably gonna put in the air fryer to cut it up and put it in the pasta. And that's literally the only thing I'm gonna meal prep because I don't feel like doing too much. And that recipe literally takes me like 30-ish minutes. Like, it's such a quick recipe. That's pretty much my Sunday. I feel like I had a good Sunday. And this is the first time I had a good Sunday in a while, because I never go out on Sundays. I'm always stuck in the house, either cleaning a lot, editing, like I'm always doing so much. But luckily I was able to get a lot of other things done between Friday and Saturday, so it freed up a lot of my schedule today. On our way to a networking event. Isn't this coat so cute? Like fashion. Oh, you're in the vlog, by the way. Sorry. No, you're supposed to be. You're okay. What's up? So pretty. This view. Right. Call us women in business. Yes.